boys and girls, today we are going to learn big numbers and we are going to make a revision about how to read and how to write big numbers. First of all, it's important to know that big numbers or our number system is organized in tens. That is to say, we are going to have, or we have, number 1, then 10 times number 1 will be 10. 10 veces el número 1 va a ser 10. 10 times number 10 will be 100. Then 10 times 100, 1000. And then we will have 10,000. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Remember that we also have the unit 1 million or the unit million, okay? So, in your practice book, you have an exercise which is about number sequence. Here we have also an example. We have the number 5. 10 times number 5 will be 50. 10 times 50 will be 500. 10 veces el número 50 va a ser 500. Then we will have 5,000. Okay? So 5, 50, 500, 5,000. The same with the number 7, for example. 7, 70, 700, 7,000, and then we will have 70,000 or 7 million. Okay? Remember, our number system is organized into tens. What is important about big numbers, or what is difficult about big numbers, is to know how to read big numbers or how to write big numbers. But I will teach you a trick with little houses that will help you to write and read big numbers. So let's have a look at this poster. Here we have 3 different houses. The silence house, because when we are in the silence house, we are not going to say anything. The 1,000 house and the million house. And here we have an example. Here we have a big, long number. We're going to start reading and writing this number from the beginning. We always start with the million house, the biggest house. And we're going to ask, who is in this house? Who is this number? This number is number 6. So we're going to read 6 and we're going to tell the name of the house. Number 6 is in the million house. El número 6 está en la casita de los millones. So we're going to read 6 million. Okay? Then next to 6 million, we have the 1,000 house. And we're going to ask, ¿quién está en la casa de los miles? So, who is in the 1,000 house? And here we have this number. So we're going to read this number. 532. So 532,000. Okay? 532,000. And we're going to read up to here. 6,532,000. Okay? And lastly, we have the silence house. 228. Okay? So, in the silence house, when we read the number, the last number, we don't say anything. So, we're going to read and write the whole number. So we're going to have 6 million, comma, this number, 532,000, so 6 billion, comma, 532,000, and the silence house at the end, 228, silence, okay? Here we don't say anything. So Remember that when we don't have a round number, we have to divide, yes, the written number with a hyphen. We have to write the number with a hyphen, using a hyphen. So we're going to say 30-2 or 20-8. Why? Because it isn't a round number. No es un número redondo. So, from the number 21 up to the number 99, we need to write the number with a hyphen, con un guión, okay? 32, 28, okay? So, here we have 3 examples, yes? And here we have our houses, yes? The million house, the 1,000 house, and the silence house. So, let's read this number. Remember, we start from the million house. So, we're going to have 9 million. Then, we need to read the 1,000 house. And who is in the house of the 1,000? ¿Quién está en la casa de los miles? We have this number. And we read this number 600. Okay? So, 600,000. And in the silence house, we don't have a number. Yes? So, this number is 9,600,000. Okay? The second example, we don't have a number in the million house, but we have a number in the 1,000 house. And who is in the 1,000 house? The number 14. So we are going to say 14,000, and then we need to read this number, the number in the silence house. 14,325. Okay? So if we are going to write 14,325. Okay? Then, the last example. Here we have a long number. Yes? So let's start with the million house. Who is in the million house? Number 2. So we are going to say 2 million. So 2 million, who is in the 1,000 house? 722,000. So we are going to say 2,722,000, and let's read the silence house. 183. Silence, we don't say anything. So we have 2,722,183. Okay? I hope the houses trick helps you, and remember that if you have doubts, you can send me a message and I will answer everything. Okay? So I hope this is clear, and see you next class. Bye bye.